And a driver who killed a bicyclist goes on trial again.
Good afternoon, I'm Kim Baez. Miranda Pacheco is back in court facing a vehicular homicide charge for veering off Paseo del Norte and right into a bicyclist in 2010. Pacheco's first trial ended in a hung jury. The question, could she have avoided the crash? News 13's Scott Daniels is live downtown with the story.
Kim, 1 year after the original trial, we're back here at District Court. Same judge, same case, but a whole new group of 12 on the jury. Well, today, attorneys picked who they wanted to be on that jury, and that's all they've done so far. Police and witnesses say Miranda Pacheco was speeding in March of 2010 when she lost control of her car on Paseo del Norte, crossed 3 lanes of traffic, went over an embankment, through a fence, and ended up killing 56-year-old David Anderson, who was on a bike path near Rio Grande. Pacheco claimed another driver cut her off, but no one has been able to back that story up. Last year, the prosecutors say they were one juror away from a guilty verdict. I spoke with the family of the victim. They say the wounds reopen every time they come back to court, but they want to see that guilty verdict.
For us, there's really been no sense of closure. This being our second one, it's you can't really stop. You're constantly waiting, and we're just hoping that maybe this week we can start healing from all this and not having to wait to see what's going to happen.
This morning, the judge heard motions from both sides. They all agreed that the victim's wife wouldn't be able to give an emotional testimony about future plans of her and her husband, which was allowed in the previous trial. Back to you, Kim.
Okay, thanks, Scott. Now, the trial is expected to get underway tomorrow. Since that deadly crash 2.5 years ago, Miranda Pacheco has been nailed for speeding and for stealing prescription drugs out of a car.